You know, I cannot leave out my pumpkin, guys. My pumpkin is for pumpkin juice and also to boil. Okay? And I also love to boil pumpkin with my ripe plantain, guys. Hi guys, hello to my YT fam. This is Laughing with me, Ian and Michelle. And today, guys, I'd like to take you in my kitchen and show you my shopping haul. Things that me and my boo got today. At the start right here, at the front is some Cyril natural chew juice, Cyril drinks. Right here we have some Tropics soda. Okay, this is mostly for Michelle and her grandson. I am not much into these things. Here we have a bottle of syrup. Okay guys, and you know I am a spring water man, you know, and when I go to buy spring water, if I do not go to country and fill up my spring water, they are kind of empty now over there. I rather choose Catherine Peak, guys. If you check Catherine Peak, it's natural spring water, guys. Okay, it's not any other water that you run through the pipe and filter it and put it in a bottle, guys. This is Catherine Peak natural spring water, guys. Okay, here you know you have to smell good and you have to smell sweet when you are touching at the street. Yes guys, you know the zest, and you know how the zest just sweet up your body and make you smell good. Yeah man, it protects the medicated soap and make your skin nice. I mean, I'm telling you something, you know. You can't underestimate the tissue, you know. Guys, when you go comfortable and sit down on your throne, and you see when you finish, you want to make sure say your tissue they're right there. You know, if you draft, you know, other option when I go do now, when I go use on your tissue, I feel up, guys. So as you can see, this tissue stack up, guys. Baby wipe up, cause you know, say grandson there sometime. You see me, next quick, up. Michelle use it. McCarthy coffee mate is up. Okay. Heinz, all these stuff, guys. Heinz tomato ketchup. Okay, come out down here, guys. So jasmine right here is my choice, or the basmati. Okay, these are a few tin mackerels over here. You know, you don't know, so I'm not too into dirty girl so much, but I'm not living alone, so you have to cater for everybody in the house. Okay, these are some eggs right here, guys. Okay, a dozen of them. We have the cup soup, yes sir, chicken flavor. You know, we also have a chicken flavor Vienna sausage, hot and spicy. Cause not no eating at this house unless it's hot and spicy. Okay guys, you know how the thing go. You can't leave your ramen, cause you know say it come in well handy. You understand? So you see me now when I deal with ramen now. I'm gonna go sub up and cut up my seasoning, then my scallion, my onion, and my sweet pepper too, and my garlic, and put them in a pot. You understand? And deal with my thing. So when my ramen done, you're not gonna see a ramen. You're not going to see a ramen. You see me, because that's how we deal with the thing. Cock soup down there, so we can't leave out the cock soup, guys. Okay, here goes our Lasco, guys. Can't leave out the Lasco, because you know, so from there, Jamaica, Lasco for presenting at the house. Oh, yes, man. We have some Quaker porridge mix right there, so quick and easy. You know, the thing goes sometimes we don't have time for going at the hard thing, you know. Yeah, man. Cream crackers, national burner, you know, the thing go cream crackers have to in at the house. You know, I look a quick thing with some tea. Sometimes I have to push out early. And the tough crackers right here, so. Some take out a gunshot out of body. Love it. Love my tough crackers, guys. Okay, you know, we have some little knickknacks in, I think, because, you know, the kids them there. So knickknacks and caramel. Like a sugar, so you have to know you deal with the caramel stuff there. Yes. Some little chocolate cookies, coconut cookies right here. You know, bun. A couple of buns. Yes, a couple of coconut roll we have here, guys, and this is the next sweet we have here. Okay, this is a couple of finger bread that Michelle get, because we are not much into that a lot of bread, into flour stuff. So this is some finger bread. They go well with sausage. Okay, or same Vienna sausage, or you could just make a hot dog out of it. You understand me? In the morning or in the afternoon, up and running quick and go, you know. Yes guys, so this right here, guys, is my favorite. Right now you're touching into my my little part now, my little corner of the list right now. So this is my Slim Pea granola, my Quaker. Okay guys, and this right here is my morning flakes. Almost the same thing, but they consist of different thing. Okay, as you can see, this is consists of oats, honey, raisin and almond. Okay, I love that. And this is consist of flame, raisin, hazelnut, okay, pumpkin seed, and apricot and apple. Okay guys, all these things are very beneficial to my body. Okay, very beneficial. So I like to have these things like in the morning, like after, not before. I have my fruits. Okay, so here I have my frozen fruit, guys, and this is it consists of all berries. Okay, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry. Okay guys, and this goes well. I do not put sugar. These are sugar-free stuff. So in order for me to put a little natural sugar in it, I blend this thing with some honey banana, small little honey banana. Okay guys, and come right down here, me get my cabbage right here, guys. My cabbage, me chop up and me steam up, and you know, say that go well with my saltfish right, yes sir. And my pumpkin, and you know, so when it come to shopping, pumpkin I feel up on my list. Okay, because pumpkin are just it's not just for one purpose. We make pumpkin juice, okay, and we do boiled pumpkin, and when you're boiling pumpkin, we like to put a few pieces of ripe plant in it. Okay, I don't really like to go heavy on the food. So when I'm dealing with ground food, I deal with like sweet potato, pumpkin, and ripe plantain, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see guys, those are most of the stuff that I've shown you. Maybe I'll leave out a couple of stuff, and I can't leave out my bottle of wine here, guys. Yes, when me and my boo is chilling after hours, after eating and after working, and we are chilling, you know, after supper, this is our nice La Motte Pero. Yes guys, nice dinner wine, guys. Very nice, guys, and healthy. I understand. Good living. Chicken steppers, nice and clean chicken steppers up here. You understand? We can curry down the thing, or we can make soup with the thing, or we can brown stew the thing. You know, so everybody, some people kind of afraid of steppers, you know. We see we embrace the steppers. We love with chicken steppers. You hear that? We love with chicken steppers. We love with chicken steppers. Michelle Foot and Ian, we have enough manners. Yes guys, so these guys are a few of our things that we go shopping and get today. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share, and leave a positive comment, guys. Respect and manners. Yes.